How's it?
It's spicy.
Spicy.
Okay, go.
So next question is basically a Gen Z test. Okay.
Okay.
So word phantom tax.
Phantom tax is like, it means it means like when you're giving food as tax. So like if someone's hungry, there's a famous streamer whose name is Phantom.
Yeah.
And he goes in people's rooms and then asks them for his tax, and then they give him food.
Oh,
That's Phantom tax. Okay.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So next word is
Okay, he laughed at me.
yeah. So 1 and 0.
Okay.
So next question, moi moi. Next word, yeah.
Moi.
Just.
Oh shit.
Moi.
Shit ho gaya.
Yeah. Literally, that's what it is.
Let's go.
So I think I'd have to ask the next question because clearly you're the winner.